I'm going to share with you my top 10 goal-setting strategies that have truly transformed my life. And I promise you'll discover at least one that you can start using today. Setting goals is not just important, it's essential. Goals are the roadmap to your dreams. Without them, we wander aimlessly, trapped in the daily grind, unsure of where we're headed. But with them, we unlock our full potential. Maybe you dream of starting a business, switching careers, or improving your well-being. Whatever your vision, goal setting is the foundation. Yet, so many of us struggle with clarity. We say things like, "I want to be healthier," but what does that mean? How do we measure it? A goal without a clear plan is just a wish. Another obstacle? Motivation. If your goals aren't aligned with your passions or values, staying committed becomes a challenge. Think about it. If you hate running, how long will you stick with a goal to run a marathon? We lose steam when the goal doesn't resonate with who we are. And then there's accountability. Without it, goals remain dreams. We need systems to track progress, anticipate obstacles, and adjust our plans. Accountability transforms a maybe someday into a must-do. So, let's dive into my 10 life-changing strategies for setting and achieving your goals. 1. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This framework brings clarity and focus. 2. Break big goals into small steps. Progress feels tangible when you tackle smaller, manageable tasks. 3. Create an accountability system. Whether it's tracking progress or partnering with someone who keeps you on track, accountability drives results. 4. Identify your why. What drives you? What excites you? What scares you? Connecting with your purpose is a game changer. 5. Start with a morning routine. A structured start sets the tone for a productive day. 6. Eliminate distractions. Focus is key. Minimize procrastination to stay aligned with your goals. 7. Embrace progress over perfection. Perfect doesn't exist. Celebrate the journey and the growth along the way. 8. Celebrate small wins. Recognize milestones. They fuel motivation and keep you going. 9. Stay flexible. Life is unpredictable. Adaptability ensures you stay on track even when plans change. Surround yourself with support. The people around you matter. Choose those who uplift and inspire you. Of all these strategies, I believe the most impactful is identifying your why. When you're connected to your purpose, no obstacle is too big. Take time to reflect. What drives you? What excites you? What scares you? That's the fuel that will push you forward. Remember, success starts with a goal and grows with action. If you're ready to transform your life, take these strategies and make them your own. Experiment, refine, but most importantly, start today. Thanks for watching. Comment below with your favorite goal-setting strategy, and don't forget to check out my other videos on personal development. Together, we'll achieve greatness. See you in the next one.